Whoa. It goes into current limiting mode. Wait a minute. What's going on here? So it's a coil of some description. So today we're going to be looking at this classic Grandstand game, Firefox F7. So let's put some batteries in and let's give it a try. Power on. Absolutely nothing. Okay. So there we are. Now, fluorescent display. There's not much to it, really. So we should be seeing 6.1 there, so that's fine. Just put this on there. It's effectively bridging it so that it like it being switched on. We'll just put that down. So now we should be seeing 5.5 volts. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so nothing's getting overly hot. So I'll just take this off for a minute. Let's check this transistor. It's 6.5, that's fine. 0.7. Transistor looks okay. Goes into this transistor as well, so let's check. Let's check that one. 0.7. 0.7. Yep, that seems okay. So what I think I want to do is try and test these diodes. Okay, so let's start at the top, work our way around. Right, so I'm not going to bore you with a full video of testing all of the diodes, but after going through all of them, I can't find any that are faulty. Two of them looked like they were faulty when in circuit, that was S9 and S10, but they tested okay when I removed them. So, and the two behind the screen are okay as well. Is that just a light shining on it? Oh, wait a minute. What's going on here? I've just noticed that. Is that burnt? Oh wow. Something's definitely gone there. Okay, so this is C07. Let's get this removed and tested. So this is a 472K, and that works out at 4,700 picofarads. And the K denotes a tolerance of plus or minus 10%. So at just over 5,000 picofarads, this one's okay, and it's within tolerance. I wonder whether the scorch marks are just maybe where the transistor next to it actually exploded or just gave up. So the capacitor appears to test okay, but I'm going to replace it anyway. Oops. Let's try and keep it in shot. Okay, so we now have CO7 installed. .3. Whoa. Yeah, the power supply is not happy there. Straight into current limiting mode. Beginning to wonder if one of these is shorted. This one does seem to be getting hot. The speech one. So this is C10 and it does appear like it has a hole in it. So potentially it could be faulty. I'll remove this and test it. So let's do that now. It does look like there's a bit of a bulge there at the top, but maybe that's normal. Let's check it in the tester. 473Z gives us 47 nanofarads with a wide tolerance. Anything between 37 and 84 is okay. So you can see 59 nanofarads is within normal range. So let's just fit this back into the board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, let's say this transistor out here, and we're going to see if when we power it up it still has the short. So it does think it's an NPN. We'll put in this new one. I don't think it's going to make any difference. Let's try removing the CPU now. We only have this, the sound IC and the transformer left. There. That's not bad actually. That's come out a treat. No, it's the same. So we're in current limiting mode again. One thing in this that we haven't looked at is this transformer, but I'm wondering if maybe part of it is shorted out. Straight away. What we're going to do, we're going to remove this. Okay, power up. Oh, interesting. The short has gone. It could be this thing after all, because this generates the voltage, but I'll have to see if there's any information about this out there and maybe see if I can get another one. But I suspect that these are pretty difficult, if not impossible, to come by. I'm going to put all the components back on, put it back together apart from this. Okay, so it's back together. I think that's going to be the end of the repair. We've checked everything, and the one thing that we can't get a replacement of is the one thing that we need. Let's have a look under the microscope. So you can see that it seems to be just a coil of wire. I've no idea if there are any other components inside, but it does all look intact, so perhaps something has shorted internally. It is very difficult to see any further into it. And there we are. Well, that's a shame. I was really hoping to get this one fixed, but unfortunately when you can't get the components, what can you do? That's it for me this time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.